Today we're going to be harvesting onion seeds. These are from my garden, and these are the flowers that then dry out and have seeds. Now some of these have already released their seeds, like that one right there, but some of them haven't. So we're going to harvest them, and they look like really large seeds that are black. So you want to start with a clean, dry bowl and harvest just the tops. And you're going to get a lot of dirt and random things at the same time. So let's try this one, which I think still has a couple left. All right, now hopefully you can see that that is a seed. So we're just going to keep doing that. And then you can plant these next year or give them to friends. And you're just kind of breaking up this little blossom that's dried out, as you would with any wildflower. And then we're going to get rid of all of the things that are not seeds. This one is still a little bit green, but you don't want to pick them too soon. They will start to lean over and dry out because naturally they want to get to the soil. And you don't need to be gentle at all. I think most of these are done. Okay, so now we're going to try and separate the leaf bits from the seed bits.
I'm just going to try to shake out the seeds.
And the seeds are heavier, so I'm just trying to let them fall out through my fingers. And if you're not picky about your gardening, you could just bag this up, let it dry out completely, of course, and plant that the next year. But if you're very particular and you want just the seeds, then we're trying to separate. And you can feel the seeds because they are very hard, kind of like tiny little pebbles, and the other things are softer leaves. All right, so there's still quite a few seeds in there, which I will sort out. But over here are the seeds that I gathered. And these are more than enough for what I need. And you can save them for several years in a jar. So, as always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe.